Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the part B of NLP project, news article classification. The primary objective of the project is to build a classification model that can automatically categorize news articles into different predefined categories. For this, first of all, we have to import the given data into Google Colab. After that, we have to import all the necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and all the libraries. And after that, we have to go through the given data and we have to go through the overview of the data, how the data has been given, how many rows are there, and how many columns are there. In each column, which data type has been given. If there are any modifications required, we have to combine different columns to make the model better, and these are all the graphs important for the data visualization and data understanding. After that, there are no null values in the data. If there are any, I created that null values. And this is the category distribution among different categories like wellness, politics, entertainment, travel, style and beauty, parenting, food and drinks, world news, business, and sports. The data has been distributed among all the categories equally. After that, we have to like go through the graphical representation of the data, like average length of words for a review and average characteristics of the word for the given review. And after that, we have to do pre-processing steps, like we have to lowerize the given text. After that, we have to remove the noises like punctuations, like commas, full stops, and HTML tags if there are any. And after that, we have to tokenize the given data. After tokenization, we have to do lemmatization. This is what all about pre-processing of the data. After that, we have to build our actual model. For this, I divided the given data into training data and testing purpose. For training purpose, I used 80% of the given data, and for testing purpose, I used 20% of the given data. And after training and testing of the model, we have to evaluate, we have to check whether the given model or developed model is working perfectly or not. For that, we have to analyze the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and etc. For this model, the accuracy is around 81 percentage. To improve the accuracy, I used the same logistic regression model with hyperparameter tuning. I got the accuracy is 83 percentage, which is good than previous one. And after that, I developed Navi bias model. For this, the accuracy is 81%, which is lesser than the linear regression model, logistic regression model. And after that, I used SVM with hyperparameter tuning. This is one of the most powerful model with accuracy of 0.829, which means almost equal to 83% and equal to logistic regression model. And after that, I developed a code. If we give any input to this, it will classify whether it's a world news or technology news or sports news or food, drink, everything. Here we can see the given inputs and its output. And after this, these are the top 10 keywords for different categories like business, entertainment, food and drinks, etc. And after that, I developed a random forest model, which has an accuracy of 0.77%, which is quite lower. And after that, this LDA topic modeling code. And after that, I created a dashboard, a simple dashboard, which can we can analyze the entire project. It shows the difference between the logistic regression, Navi bias, SVM, random forest, and this sports logistic regression model that first place, and then SVM. After that, Navi bias, Atlas random forest, and these are the top 10 keywords per category, and this is the distribution between the categories. After this, I created this is the final project report. In this, how the model has been developed and how the project has been developed. The overview, the problem statement, data information, and data processing, feature extraction using TF, IDF vectorization, and model training and evaluation. This table gives different models and their accuracy, precision, recall, and reference score. And after that, feature importance, category, and keywords. And after that, visual dashboard, a simple dashboard to understand the data or understand the project. And in this, the final is with 83% accuracy, logistic regression model stood at first place, which is the best model for this. Thank you.